Your pants too tight?
You don't cut a good pair of jeans if they don't have something wrong with them. Alright, let's see what we got.
Alright, we got the Daytona 3-ton ratcheting jack stands.
Now look, I don't know if any of y'all have ever seen these things before. They're amazing.
Orange was the only color they had.
Yeah, we were trying to get gray ones.
Nick light. For the win.
You gotta.
Y'all don't come after my license plate, please, because I don't know how to blur it. What is that? The jack stand?
Yeah, so this is stand, this is jack, this thing goes. And then,
Wait, no, the jack is right there next to you.
Oh,
That's a jack.
well, this is a jack stand.
Oh.
It says jack stand on it. So this goes in here. This little bar eats at the teeth. It's like a cowbell.
Cowbell. Is that the oh shoot puller?
It does look like a grenade pin. And this little fella goes in like, yeah. And then this little fella, this little cutter pin.
Do they feel durable?
Yeah, they actually do. It's supposed to hold 3 tons. Hey babe, stand on this thing, see if you break it.
No, I'm gonna break an ankle is what I'm gonna break.
Oh, and the box comes with 2 of them.
Ooh.
So I think they were originally, $49.99.
Mm-hmm.
And then they had like a coupon, got $20 off, so we got 2 sets. So it's
Yep.
kind of like buy one, get one free.
Got another one right there. So there y'all go, people. Put the little sticky thing in there. Or if you need a cowbell. They seem pretty durable.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that on this.
They are heavy-duty reinforced steel base. Double locking mobility pin for extra safety and security. There's the maximum height. Minimum height. They're ideal for auto shop, farm, truck services. I can't read today. 6,000 pounds. ASME PASE. I don't know what that means. Ask me passe? What? What
Is this Spanish?
And there's the instructions. Y'all know what we do with those.
That's right, baby.
There's the other pole thing.
Clearly, I've never worked this thing before.
Maybe you need to read the instructions.
Figured.
We really don't throw away instructions. We just don't look at them until we can't figure it out.
We don't throw them away.
No, because of situations like this where we don't know what we're doing.
I just didn't have it down one way.
Oh, you got it now?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Apparently I didn't do very well in kindergarten. Oh. Well, I'm dumb. It has to go in this way.
Does the cotter pin go on that?
It's got one end that's kind of smooth. There.
There you go.
I mean, they feel like they could hold 3 tons. I hope
So how
they
do you
can.
lower it? Pull the grenade. Adjustable. There you go.
How high can they go?
Let's see.
16?
Maximum height is 16 and 7/8 inches. Minimum height is 11 3/8 inches. I don't know if we got 11 3/8 clearance right there.
We didn't measure before.
Well, we are gonna try to jack it up with our new toys, that and that, and we'll let y'all know how it goes. Bye.
See you.